The flooring in our homes provides an important function, as well as beauty and style. But not all flooring is created equally. Let's find out how to select the right flooring for your taste, budget, and lifestyle.
Every home needs a floor. So the flooring that you have in your home plays two parts, both in the structure and also the design. We are a family-operated business since 1969 in the carpet capital of the U.S. in Dalton, Georgia. What sets us apart is that we cater to any budget. We sell directly to the public and also wholesale. We're also minutes away from most manufacturers, and we have access to the top brands such as Shaw, Mohawk, Create Flooring, and Engineered Floors.
This is the GeorgiaCarpet showroom. Each area is designed to showcase a different type of flooring to inspire you, and their warehouse, which is open to the public, will amaze.
We have our main showroom, which is 3,000 square feet, and we have samples on display from carpet to luxury vinyl to hardwood. And we have a total of 4 warehouses, and our main warehouse is 60,000 square feet, which is attached to our main showroom. And it has hundreds of carpets and pallets of hardwoods that are ready to be shipped. Well, the most popular flooring choice right now is luxury vinyl. It is a hard surface flooring, and it's popular because most of the hard surfaces are waterproof, scratch proof, and also dent resistant. So that's been really popular right now with a lot of flooring choices out there. So if you have a family with children and pets, you definitely want to have something that is scratch proof as well as possibly waterproof. But also, depending where you're putting your flooring, you may want to use carpet in your bedrooms or your living room, but you can also use a hard surface there too, just depending on your lifestyle. Active households, you want to have something that stands up to a lot of foot traffic.
But not all flooring is created equally. Watch this.
Here, let me show you. We're going to do a scratch test on this luxury vinyl product from Create Flooring by Muchsy, and my friend Seamus here is going to show you how to do it. Oh boy. As you can see, this final product did not stand up to the scratch test, and this product did, so this would be a great choice if you have children or pets. We're going to stain the Shaw Enzo nylon carpet with some red wine, and we are going to clean it following Shaw's guidelines for their care and maintenance instructions using their Shaw carpet cleaner. So you want to make sure to blot the stain first, because you want to soak up all the moisture and liquid. You don't want to rub, because you will rub the stain more into the carpet. So you just want to blot. And you can spray it more than one time to keep getting the color out. If you spilled red wine or juice, you just blot the entire time. As you can see, the wine stain is gone. So just make sure to follow manufacturer's instructions in cleaning the carpet.
They're the flooring experts, so you don't have to be.
We have a lot of options to give you, and so if you just give us a call and let us know what you need, we will help you through the entire process.
For more information about Georgia Carpet, visit georgiacarpet.com/design. And of course, visit us at DesigningSpaces.tv.